If you wear glasses and you're sick of dealing with this crap where literally every time you bend down, they try to fall off your face, or worse yet, they do, and adjustments don't seem to fix that for you, I recommend checking out these silicone grips. In reply to you, Hannah, I used to get my glasses adjusted, but now I wear Ray-Ban Metas that literally can't not be adjusted. So these silicone grips are even more clutch than they were before. These, I can literally just snug them up behind my ears like an adjustment would be, and now I can shake my head looking down, and my glasses do not budge. And they're backed by thousands of 5-star reviews, and they're less than $10 with free shipping. So if you're sick of your glasses falling off your face every single time you look down, grab some of these grips up. They're pinned right here. You're welcome.